How to fix this content is not available right now problem on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, scroll down and tap on your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have the stable internet connection, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, what you can do is go to the Play Store application, and on the search bar, just search for Facebook application. So just make sure that you have the latest version of the application. As you can see, there is no option of update available in the Facebook application on my device. So it means that we have the latest version of the application. After that, go back and then tap on the settings of the device, and then you just need to scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and you just have to wait to find the Facebook application from the app list over here. Now search for Facebook and then tap on clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. Then go back and this problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.